Okay, would you please share screen? Group 3, opening presentation in the class. Yes, good. Muhammad Aqsa and member group Muhammad Aqsa, and then Camelia and Muhammad siapa sih? Ismahuddin. Ya.
Hishamuddin.
Okay. Would you please the topic nationalities chapter 3. Okay.
Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin wa bihi nasta'in ala umuri dunya din. Assalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah Muhammad bin Abdullah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa ala ba'du. Good evening, everyone. Today, I would like to share the next chapter of our presentations today. It's about nationalities, and I will bring this slide with my friends Camelia Alif and Muhammad Hishamuddin. Let's start from the first slide. It's about what does nationality means. It's people having a common origin, traditions, and language, and capable of forming or actually constituting a nation state. It means artinya adalah orang-orang atau sekumpulan yang memiliki origin, kemudian tradisi atau origin itu asal-usul, bahasa, tradisi yang sama untuk membentuk atau benar-benar membentuk suatu negara. Jadi kumpulan orang-orangnya itu adalah nationalities. Gitu. Next is, does nationality have synonyms? Yes, it does. First, ethnicity. Jadi apakah nationality memiliki kata lain atau sinonim? Yang pertama adalah ethnic, kemudian nations, dan yang terakhir ada race. Race ini bukan race balapan ya, tapi race itu ras. Gitu. A minute, sorry. Kemudian next slide is about the difference between nations and country. First, nation is a community that I was taught before. The nation is a community of people formed on the basis of common language, territory, and ethnicity. And the country may be an independent sovereign state or part of larger state, a physical territory with a government, or a geographic region associated with sets of previously independent or differently associated people. Memiliki satu negara yang dapat berupa negara berdaulat yang independen atau bagian dari negara yang lebih besar, wilayah fisik dengan pemerintah, atau wilayah geografis yang terkait dengan kumpulan orang yang independen dan terkait secara berbeda. So let's talk about our nations. It's Indonesia, and I would like to share about the geography of Indonesia. First, Indonesia is the largest archipelago in the world. It consists of 5 major islands and about 30 smaller groups. There are a total number of 17,500 islands, which about 6,000 are inhabited. Straddling equator, the archipelago is on a crossroad between 2 oceans and the Pacific and the Indian Oceans, and bridge to continents Asia and Australia. The territory of Republic of Indonesia stretches from 6 degree away E latitude to 11-15 degrees ES latitude, and then 94 degree 45 E latitude to 141 degrees of 5 E long latitude. Uh, Land area, that's the total of our nations. The territory and land area is 1,826,440 square kilometers, and then water area 93,000 square kilometers. So we have another explanations. It's about the 5 main island area. First is Sumatra. It's about 473,606 square kilometers. The most fertile and densely populated island, Java or Madura. It's about 132,107 square kilometers. And Kalimantan, which comprises 2/3 of the Borneo, 539,460 square kilometers. Sulawesi is 189,216 square kilometers, and Irian Jaya 421,981 square kilometers, which is part of the world's second largest island, New Guinea. Indonesia's other islands are smaller in size. So the next is example of country and nationality and language. It will be delivered by my friends Kamalia Alif Fadria.
Hello guys, my name is Camelia. I will continue the explanation from Muhammad Aqsa. I will give you example of country, nationality, and language. Here you can see country Afghanistan. The nationality is Afghan and the language is Afghan. 2. You can see Argentina for the country. Nationality is Argentine and the language is Spanish. You can see Australia for the country. The nationality is Australian and the language is English. And for the example of Indonesia, the country is Indonesia and the nationality is Indonesian and the language is Indonesian. Country itu untuk negaranya, nationality itu untuk kebangsaan. Jadi kalian ini tinggal di negara Indonesia, maka kalian berkebangsaan Indonesia dan kalian berbahasa Indonesia seperti itu. Next. Three best Jakarta souvenirs. 1. Batik fabric is an excellent gift to take back home, as it really captures the true heart of the Indonesian culture. Batik has been practiced for years and it is part of an ancient tradition. Some of the best textiles and fabric pieces in the world are made out of batik, which is testament to just how magnificent these pieces really are. Cloth is decorated in a very specific way with the use of art and dye. Some items which you could bring home could be a beautiful hand-picked batik scarf, a lovely throw, or a magnificent batik pillowcase. Jadi di sini ada yang pertama ada batik, ada tiga souvenir yang bagus di Jakarta, yaitu pertama ada kain batik. Ini sangat bagus untuk dijadikan hadiah. Karena beberapa tekstil dan potongan kain terbaik di dunia terbuat dari batik yang merupakan bukti betapa megahnya potongan-potongan ini. Next. Second, local wood carvings. Art is a huge part of the Indonesian culture, and you will notice different forms of art all around Jakarta. Local carvings are a very thoughtful gift to bring home, as you will literally be bringing home an authentic pieces of Indonesian art. A great suggestion for a gift is an authentic and unique mix made entirely out of carved wood. You could also choose a unique piece which may represent something significant from the culture and ornament of surf which would look ideal in a home or garden. There are many designs, shapes, size, and various qualities to choose from. You can have quite an exciting time picking and choosing while learning all about the culture and tradition. Di sini ada ukiran-ukiran lokal yang bisa dijadikan souvenir yang bagus dari Jakarta. Next. Yang ketiga, wayang puppets. The history of puppets in Indonesia dates back centuries ago. Puppets were used to tell stories, folk tales, and ancient myths. It is interesting to know that there are actually two distinct categories of puppets in Indonesia, mainly wayang kulit and wayang golek. Wayang kulit puppets refer to either shadow or rather puppets, whereas wayang golek refers to wooden puppets. All puppets are beautifully handmade and each one represents a different character, animal, god, and representation. You will even be able to find some traditional designs that have been recreated in the forms of puppets many times over for the last couple of hundred years. Uh, the presentation will be continue with my friends Muhammad Hishamuddin.
Di sini ada percakapan tentang menanyakan tentang keberadaan seseorang atau kewarganegaraan. Asking nationality. Hello. Hi. How are you? I'm good. How are you? Good. Do you speak English? Not fun. Are you American? Yeah. Where are you from? I'm from Jakarta. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Next. What is your name? My name is Sabrina. What country are you from? I'm from Bangladesh.
I'm so
So,
sorry. Hello. This is Muhammad Akso and Hishamuddin. This is Anna. Anna kita ganti dengan Muhammad Akso. And Sabrina kita ganti dengan Hishamuddin.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Jadi
Yes,
ada
ma'am.
dua sound yang difference.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Good job.
What is your name?
My name is Sabrina.
Oh, Sabrina. Your name
Yeah, ma'am.
Sabrina. My name is Muhammad Hisam. No.
Yes, ma'am.
No boy, no girl. Oh my God.
Okay.
Okay, which is please.
Let's start
Repeat again.
What is your name?
My name is Muhammad Hisham.
What country are you from?
I'm from Depok.
So are you a Depok?
That's right. My nationality is Indonesia.
Okay. Do you like Jakarta?
Yes. The city is very beautiful.
What do you like to do in Jakarta?
I like history. So I like walking around and looking at all the monument and memorial. They make history come alive.
Life. Okay, Jakarta has many monuments and memorials. The Jakarta Monument is behind us. Which is your favorite?
I really like Monas. It is very beautiful. And it feels like Monas is still alive.
Awesome. Thank you for your time, Hisham.
You're welcome, Akso.
Okay. Okay, thank you. That's all that I can deliver and that we can deliver to you guys. So if you guys have any question or anything you want to add, just shout it out.
Okay, good job. Presentation group 3, the topic nationalities. Muhammad Akso, member group Muhammad Akso, and Camelia and Hisamuddin. Good job presentation, the opening and the closing. Yeah. Okay, maybe a question, everyone. Would you please? Silakan. Ada yang mau ditanyakan? About material nationalities. Muhammad Akso,
Okay.
di sini saudara tidak membuat comprehension phrases composition ya, memberikan suatu pertanyaan pada audiens. Apakah audiens itu dikasih kuis ya, sehingga kuisnya kita bentuk dengan membuat you make comprehension phrases and composition number 1 until number 3 gitu aja. Jadi untuk memancing audiens, apakah dia paham tentang pembahasan the topics nationality, ya, yeah. What is nationalities? Nah, this is audiens harus diberi pancingan dulu.
Okay.
Nanti mereka akan berpikir, oh iya, okay, I want to answer number 1 gitu. Jadi begitu ya. The next time. Jadi maksudnya untuk apa? Active learning, bila mana terjadi audiens, ada yang mau ditanyakan.
Okay.
Okay, everyone, would you please maybe question?
Okay, guys, if you got any question, you can share the question right now. Or if you want to add someone else, just shout it out. Kalau misalkan ada yang mau ditambahkan atau mau ditanyakan, boleh, silakan. Misalkan ada yang mau cerita tentang nationalitiesnya, kan nggak semua teman-teman dari Jakarta, kan ada yang dari Bangka Belitung, ada yang dari Ambon, ada yang dari Jawa, mungkin ada yang dari
Sumatera ya. Bahkan mungkin Papua atau Batak. Silahkan. And the nationalities, this is country, ya. Country, for example country, nationalities, and language, ya. Indonesia, Indonesian, Jakarta. Nah, this is my country. Ada juga my city nanti ya, bisa ditambahkan my city. Ya, kota saya. Nah, this is city, country, nationalities, and the language. Nah, this is 3 best Jakarta souvenir. Tadi bagus yang dibacakan oleh Reading Camelia. Nah, and then the nationalities, this is for example, my city, Kobe, ya. My country, Tokyo, gitu kan. Nah, nationalitiesnya apa tuh? Kalau kotanya kota Kobe, ya. Maksudnya kotanya kota Kobe, negaranya, country-nya adalah Kyoto. Nah, nationalitiesnya apa? Japan. Nah, language-nya, bahasanya apa? Nihongo. Nah, gitu ya. Jadi Anda harus tahu, jangan hanya tahunya Indonesia. My city Bekasi misalkan ya. My city Bekasi. The apa lagi? The language my country Jakarta ya. Nationalities Indonesia. And then the language Indonesia. Coba negara lain. Ya, for example tadi Jepang ya. My city Kobe ya, atau Fukushima boleh. Ada kota namanya Fukushima. My city Fukushima. My country Kyoto. My nationalities Japan. My language Nihongo. Nah, and Saudi Arabia. Berarti kotanya apa di Saudi misalkan? Jeddah gitu. My city Jeddah. My country apa?
Ini
Saudi